I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fusion hybrid battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the 12-volt battery first to prevent electrical hazards. Wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from high voltage. Proceed with extreme caution, as hybrid batteries contain significant electrical energy. To access the hybrid battery, you'll typically start by removing the trunk floor panel and any side panels or trim that obstruct the battery compartment. Next, locate the orange high-voltage service disconnect plug, often found behind the rear seat back. Carefully remove this plug to disable the high-voltage system. Then, unbolt the battery cover and any mounting brackets securing the pack. With the cover off, carefully disconnect the high-voltage cables from the battery pack. These connections are critical, so take your time and ensure they are properly disengaged. Next, unbolt the entire battery pack from its mounting points within the vehicle. Hybrid batteries are very heavy, often weighing over 100 pounds, so it is essential to use a suitable lifting device or get assistance to safely remove the old battery from the car. Now, carefully position the new hybrid battery pack into its designated location. Ensure it aligns correctly with all mounting points. Secure all mounting bolts and brackets to firmly hold the battery in place. Reconnect the high-voltage cables, ensuring a tight and secure connection. Finally, reinstall the high-voltage service disconnect and reconnect the 12-volt battery to complete the installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.